Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to back up your Viber messages on Android. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Viber app on your Android device. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on More. This will take you to a menu where you can access various settings and features within Viber. Once you're in the More section, look for the Settings option and tap on it. This is where you can manage all your Viber preferences, including your account details, privacy settings, and backup options. The Settings menu is your control center for customizing how Viber works for you. Next, within the Settings menu, you'll need to tap on Account. This section contains all the information related to your Viber account, including your profile details, phone number, and most importantly, your backup settings. It's essential to access this area whenever you want to manage your account data. Now, look for an option labeled Viber Backup and tap on it. This is where you can configure how your messages are backed up and what content gets included in the backup. Backing up your Viber messages is crucial because it ensures you won't lose your chat history, photos, or videos if something happens to your device or if you switch to a new phone. Before you start the backup process, you have the option to customize what gets backed up. You'll see two radio buttons available, one for Include Photos and another for Include Videos. If you want to save all your media files along with your text messages, go ahead and tap these radio buttons to enable them. This ensures that all your shared memories and important media are safely stored in your backup. Once you've selected your preferences, tap on Backup Now. This will immediately initiate the backup process. You'll see Viber start working on creating a complete backup of your messages and any media you've chosen to include. The process might take a few moments depending on how much data you have, so be patient and let it complete without interrupting. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your Viber messages on Android. Your conversations and media are now safely stored and can be restored whenever you need them. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.